Hello guys, in this video we will show you how to graphically logo design with Python. So title is the Python library. We will create the logo of the apple. So here I'm open the console, going to the desktop directory again, desktop directory, draw directory. You can see Python file draw.py, opening the algorithm. So now we run the algorithm python draw.py. So here you can see apple logo, graphically view of the apple logo. Hope you like it. My English is not well. I am trying to my best. Hope you like it. All details in description with algorithm base.